Here are the top 5 sound effects you should be using as a video creator. Number 1, ambient. This helps with setting the scene and creates a more immersive experience for the viewer. Number 2, whooshes. These help add a dynamic feel to a video like this. Number 3, impact. These help with focusing the viewer's attention on what is going on screen. Number 4, transition sounds. These can be anything. You'd like to match the transition to avoid overusing whooshes. And finally, number 5, adding sound effects to help what is on screen like footsteps. If you're looking to get your hands on some high-quality sound effects used in this video, comment Milky Way is Pink Edit, and I will share the link for free.